Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making Toto, or as some people call it, coconut cake. So for those who don't know what coconut cake is or what Toto is, this is a dessert that is mainly consumed on Sundays. So the coconut that you use to prepare your rice and peas, you would also set some aside to make your Toto. Alright, I made this 2 years ago and there was this person in the comments arguing with me saying that they don't know of this being a Sunday evening dessert and which part of Jamaica I am from. Well, I guess all parish is different. I don't know. For the ingredients, you're going to need some all-purpose flour, which is a regular plain flour. You're going to need some salt, baking powder. You're going to need some sugar, whether it's brown sugar or granulated sugar, doesn't matter. And you're going to need your spices. I use cinnamon and I use a little mixed spice as well as some grated nutmeg. Alright, and I like to add a little ginger, not too much. Alright, about maybe a tablespoon of grated ginger. For the coconut, I have 2 cups of fresh coconut. You can also use the coconut flakes from the store. I honestly did not grate my coconut. What I did is just chop it up. I add about half cup of water in the blender and I just blend it out. Alright, I couldn't manage to grate it, but you can go ahead and grate the coconut if you wish. Alright, so I'm gonna add my coconut milk. I'm also gonna add some vanilla, and we already have the eggs and the melted butter. Alright, so basically that's it, and I already have my oven preheated and I also have my cake pan already greased. So I like the crust, so I just add some butter in the grooves of my cake tin. That would help to give me the crust that I desire. Another thing is, when you're making Toto, there is no color that is added. It's like when you're making the Christmas cake and you'd add some browning to give it that dark, rich color. There's no color that is added to Toto. That is why I prefer to use the brown sugar, because it's going to give it that nice brown color that you need your Toto to have, as opposed to using granulated sugar. And back then, we never used to use granulated sugar. Alright, so this is it, guys. The last thing that was left to add was the vanilla. I'm just going to go ahead and pour it out in my cake pan, which is already greased. As I've said before, I need this cake pan need to be properly greased, and I wanted that nice crust, so I prefer to use butter instead of using the tin spray. Alright, so when this is greased properly, the cake is easier to slide out from the middle and the sides, just like this. Alright, this cake took 1 hour in the oven. It all depending on the type of pan that you're using and the amount of butter that you have. Alright, so look at this good coconut goodness. I mean, it's nice now, but check it the next day. Oh my god, it is even nicer. Trust me, go ahead and try out the recipe and let me know in the comment section. I know most Jamaicans or most Caribbean people already know how to make coconut cake, and even in some other Caribbeans they probably do it different. I'm not sure, but this is the way that I learned to make it. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and as usual, stay safe, show some love, and I'll see you guys in my next one.